Hello student, class 11 physics. Today we will be start new chapter number 4b, motion in plane. किसी planes पे motions, definitions. Motion in plane. When a body moves in a plane, its motion is called two-dimensional. Motions are motion in planes. यदि कोई bodies है वो किसी प्लेन्स पे यदि मोशंस करती है तो वो टू डायमेंशनल मोशंस आर मोशन इन प्लेन्स कहलाता है. देन एग्जांपल्स, फॉर एग्जांपल्स मोशन ऑफ बॉल इन क्रिकेट प्ले ग्राउंड आर मोशन ऑफ अ कार इन अ प्लेन और ग्राउंड आर एक किसी भी इंसेक्ट कीड़े को यहाँ पे छोड़ दिया जाए तो इसकी जो मोशंस होगी वो भी क्या होगा, प्लेन्स. मोशंस ऑफ लिजार्ड इन वॉल इज अ टू डायमेंशनल मोशंस. आर नाउ वेक्टर, पोजिशंस वेक्टर. Positions vectors in two-dimensional motions or motion in a plane. Now consider, we have xy plane, x and y axis. Let's a point P xy in xy plane. Then the position vector of P, positions vector of P, then positions vector of P, positions vector of P is, we can write vector of OP, that is equal to vector of R. Applying the law of triangle of vector. Now let's M and N. Applying the law of triangle of vector additions for triangle PMO. Applying law of triangle of vector addition, vector additions for triangle PMO. Then vector of OP, that is equal to vector of OM plus MP. Vector of OP that is equal to, वो हमने वेक्टर एडिशंस ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स के रूल्स हमने, लॉस हमने प्रीवियस क्लासेस में, प्रीवियस चैप्टर्स में हमने वेक्टर एनालिसिस में स्टडी किए हैं. देन अकॉर्डिंग टू लॉ ऑफ ट्रायंगल ऑफ वेक्टर एडिशंस, देन OP that is equal to OM plus vector of MP, or MP that is equal to ON, or we can write OM, vector of OM plus MP that is equal to OM, O vector of ON. It is a position vector of P. Sorry, according to triangle of vector additions, if I cap and j cap be the unit vector, along x and y axis respectively, then yj cap and xi cap. Then in these conditions we will be write OM that is equal to XI and ON that is equal to YJ cap. Then vector of OM that is equal to XI and vector of ON that is equal to YJ cap. Then putting the value of above equation, therefore vector of OP that is equal to XI cap plus YJ cap. R OP that is equal to a vector of R XI plus YJ cap. Now above equation represent the rectangular components of positions vectors. It is in these equations is represented the rectangular components of positions vector in right triangle. Now in right angle triangle PMO by the Pythagoras theorem, square of hypotenuse that is equal to square of length and square of base. Then OP that means R square, OM that means X square, or OMP that is equal to that means Y squares. R that is equal to under root square is transferred to square root X square plus Y square. R also we can write modulus of vector of R that is equal to under root X square plus Y square. This equations gives the magnitude of positions vector. It is represented the magnitude of vector positions. Our next topic displacement vector. फर्स्ट टॉपिक था हमारा पोजिशंस वेक्टर एंड सेकेंडली डिस्प्लेसमेंट वेक्टर. लेट्स अ पार्टिकल बी मूविंग ऑन अ कर्व पाथ. दिस कर्व पाथ कोई पार्टिकल्स क्या है मूवमेंट कर रही है एट एनी इंस्टेंट टाइम टी स्मॉल टी टाइम इट्स पोजिशन इज पी. इंस्टेंट टाइम टी पे उसके पोजिशंस क्या है पी एक्स वाई एंड एट अनदर इंस्टेंट टाइम टी डैश द पोजिशंस इज पी डैश एक्स डैश वाई डैश इज coordinates. Then positions vector of P and P dash. Then position vector of P and P dash may be right. Vector of OP that is equal to vector of R. Vector of OP that is equal to vector of R, and vector of OP dash that is equal to vector of R dash. Clearly we can write according to positions vector. Clearly vector of R that is equal to x I cap plus y j cap, and vector of R dash that is equal to x dash I cap plus y dash j cap. According to law of triangle of vector additions, in this triangle of P O P dash or P P dash O, इस triangles पे हम एडिशंस ऑफ ट्रायंगल ऑफ वेक्टर एडिशंस लगाते हैं. अकॉर्डिंग टू लॉ ऑफ ट्रायंगल ऑफ vector addition. Vector addition. Then in this picture, PP dash, that is equal to OP dash minus last position minus first position. Then P dash, vector of PP dash, that is equal to OP dash minus of OP. Then R. PP dash is a del R, vector of del R. Then vector of del R, that is equal to OP dash, that means R dash, vector of R dash minus vector of R. Then putting the value of R and R dash above equations, then del of vector of R, that is equal to xi plus x dash I plus y dash j minus xi cap plus y j cap, r I and I separately and y to y separately. Then x dash minus xi and plus y dash minus y j cap. This is equal to del vector of R. If x dash minus x, that is equal to del x, and y dash minus y, that is equal to del y, then we can write above equations. Del R vector R, that is equal to del x I cap plus del y j cap. Del R is directed along PP dash, Then the magnitude of displacement vector is given by the above equations. Magnitude of above equations, mod of del R vector, that is equal to under root del x square plus del y square. R also we can write del x, that means x dash minus x, r x dash minus x square plus square of y dash minus y. Today class is over. Okay, thank you. And next day we will be study about average velocity and two-dimensional motion with uniform velocity